have shared some pics where you all are dancing in Santa dress or in your red and white dress. So that was so lovely to see that you all have enjoyed the festival fullest. Isn't it great? So long weekend now over. So we have some more revision classes to go in this week, and after that you will get your winter break. Okay? So I am sure you will get your winter break, but after few revisions. Done? Now, can anyone tell me what is the date and day today? So today is 28th December 2020, Monday. Yes. And on Monday, we start our classes with maths subject. So, अब ये square boxes, so which shape? Some squares, some rectangles mix हो रहे हैं, I know. So, when we have this type of pattern, what does that mean? जब हम बोर्ड पे कैसा पेज draw कर देते हैं, so what do you mean with that? Yes, we are going to write countings today. So today we are going to write our numbers, our counting from 1 to 60 whole. पूरा लिखेंगे. अभी तक हमने पार्ट बाय पार्ट किया था. 1 से 10 तक, 11 से 20 तक, then 21 से 30 तक, फिर एक दिन किया 1 से 30 तक. So we have done it in different parts. Today we are going to write our numbers, or you can say our counting from 1 to 60. 60 तक finish हो गई है ना हमारी counting. You all know how to write till number 60. So today we are going to practice it one as a whole. ठीक है? अब part by part नहीं करेंगे. Now you are growing up. So let's start writing our counting today. Okay? Now two rules that you have to remember while writing the counting. One, speak the numbers. Yes, you have to speak while you are writing. And second, you have to write the numbers touching the bottom line of the box. Okay? कोई भी air में नहीं उड़ेगा, ऐसे हवा में box में नहीं उड़ना है. You have to write your numbers on the bottom line of the box. Clear? Let's begin with the work then. So, as we have to begin our counting from 1, what will be the first number to be written? 1. And where should I write that number? Under tens or under ones? T-O. So I have already written tens in ones for multiple number of times. अब हम देखेंगे कि हमें मैम में ज़्यादा लिखा है, कम लिखा है, ओके लिखा है. So when we'll start writing the counting, we'll keep on proceeding. Now we have to write 1. अब 1 कहाँ लिखना है? Ones के नीचे से start करेंगे या tens के नीचे से? Ones के नीचे. Very good. So I'll write 1. ठीक लिखा है मैम ने? Yes. Position भी ठीक है. And I have written it on the bottom line. And again, speak the number when you are writing so that you will not make any mistake. Oral counting तो हमें याद हो गई है. Now when we will speak the number, we'll write it. तो गलती होगी ही नहीं. Okay class? So 1, 2, 3. All the numbers on the bottom line. Next. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 8, 9. And what should I write here? 10. So now tell me how should I write 10? 10 लिखने के लिए we have 1 digit or 2 digits? 2 digits start हो जाएंगी. तो अब 2 digits हैं तो how should I write? 1 0 10, 1 0 10 और 1 0 10 या फिर 1 0 10. How should I write that? 1 will come under tens. Very good. So I'll write it 1 0 10 like this. Now what should I write after 10? यहाँ पे लिखना है? No, we are going to skip this line. Yes, इसको हमें blank छोड़ना है. Now we are going to write it from here. And what should I write? 11. 14, 15, 1 5 15 लिखेंगे? No, you will say 15. 15 ही बोलना है ना, 1 5 15 तो नहीं बोलना? Yes. Then we will say 16, 17, 18, 19, and after that two group of 10 objects. तो क्या लिखेंगे? जब आपके पास 10 ऑब्जेक्ट्स की यानी कि 10 चॉकलेट्स इधर आ गई, 10 चॉकलेट्स दूसरी साइड भी हैं, तो अब आपके पास टोटल कितनी चॉकलेट्स हो गई? 2 ग्रुप हो गए ना 10 चॉकलेट्स के, 10 चॉकलेट एक बॉक्स में, 10 चॉकलेट दूसरे बॉक्स में. So what do we written here? 20. Yes, 2 group of 10 objects. So we'll write 20 here. Understood? Now next we are going to write 21. What will be the next number? 22. Very good. 22, 23. Then we have 24, 25. After that 26, 27, then 28. After writing 28, we have 29. Yes. So this is 29, and last 3 group of 10 objects. Clear everyone? Okay. Now next, what should I write here in the next line? After 30, what will come? 31. Yes. So we'll write 31, 32, 33. Then we have 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and last will be 4 group of 10 objects each. That means 40. Yes, 40. अब बताइए 40 के बाद जब हम 41 लिखेंगे तो उसका क्या मीनिंग होगा? What does that mean? How many things you have? 4 groups of 10 objects plus 1 more. है ना, यही हुआ ना 41. So let's write that. 41, 42, 43, 44. So what will be the next after 44? We have 45, 46, 47. After that we have 48, 49, 50. क्लियर? 50 का मीनिंग क्या हो गया? हमारे पास 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, सॉरी 5 ग्रुप्स हैं, और हर ग्रुप में हमारे पास 10 ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं. लाइक वी हैव 5 boxes of pencils and each box is having 10 pencils. Clear? आप बर्थडे पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हो ना अपने फ्रेंड्स को. सो मामा ने क्या किया? मामा 5 बॉक्सेस लाई है और हर बॉक्स में कितनी है? 10 ईच. तो टोटल कितनी हो गई? 50 पेंसिल्स. क्लियर? ओके नाउ 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Is that clear to everyone? So this is the last number till 60 we have to write. So what we have done? We have written our numbers from 1 to 60. Now let us have a quick revision of these numbers and see whether we have written them correctly or not. Clear? So all of you, what you are going to do? You are going to speak numbers with me. Now you have to speak it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That means the numbers that we have written are correct. Clear? Now what you have to do? You have to take out your notebooks, write today's date and see how we are going to do this work of writing counting in our notebook today. Okay class? So open your notebook and write today's date, that is 28 December 2020. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our work in notebook today. Okay? So what you have to do, open your notebook. You have already done that. Write today's date. So what is the date today? Today is 28th December 2020. Clear? So we'll write the date like this and we'll mention classwork. This is our classwork, so we'll write CW here. Now what you have to do? You have to start writing your counting from 1 to 60. Now beta see, अगर आपके पास इस तरह से 2 pages हैं, you can use that. अगर ऐसे नहीं है, आपका ये वाला पेज है, तो you can start your work from here, like this, tens and ones. और जब आपकी काउंटिंग यहाँ तक फिनिश हो जाएगी, तो what you can do, turn the page and you can continue it here also. ठीक है बेटा, क्योंकि जो काउंटिंग है 1 to 60 वो 2 पेजेस में आएगी, इट विल नॉट कम इन 1. तो अगर ऐसे 2 पेजेस हैं तो आप तो लिख ही सकते हैं इजीली. बट अगर ये वाला पेज आपका यूज़ हो चुका है एंड यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर वर्क फ्रॉम हियर, तो पहले आप यहाँ पे जितना काउंटिंग आती है फिनिश करिए और जो रिक्वायर्ड वर्क होगा, जो बचा हुआ होगा, यू कैन यूज़ दिस पेज फॉर दैट. ओके बच्चा, नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द वर्क. So we have to begin from 1, isn't it? After that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have done our first, you can say numbers, the first line of numbers from 1 to 10. So now let's start it from here. After 10, what will come here? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done. After 20, we are going to start from 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 हो गया. अब 30 के बाद from which number we are going to begin this line? 31. Yes. So we'll write 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 पे finish. So now, अब next page पे आएंगे because we are not having any more space here. And from here we are going to begin 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Clear? And last we are going to begin from 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, again mistake, 58, 59, 60. So like this we have completed our counting starting from 1 and completed on 60. Clear? So this is how you are going to write your counting. अब अगर आप इस पेज पे कर रहे हो स्टार्ट तो आपका 1 से 40 यहाँ आ जाएगा. Then from 41 to 60 you can write it on the next one. Clear? This is how you have to complete. Now what is your homework? For homework also you are going to practice writing same counting from 1 to 60 that we have done as classwork. So homework will be same. Clear? You are going to practice writing numbers from 1 to 60 twice. Once homework and once classwork. Okay? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do the work in notebook. Counting you all know how to write, but writing it regularly, practicing it every day will make you perfect in it. और जब मैथ्स का कोई भी वर्क होता है, be that after, before, between or any other concept related to numbers, तो आप उसको अच्छे से तभी कर पाओगे बेटा when you are thorough with your countings. Clear? और मैम ने बता ही दिया है नोटबुक में, इफ यू हैव बोथ द पेजेस ब्लैंक, how you can do your work. If you have right side blank, then you can turn and complete the counting that I have already explained you. So now please finish your work, share your work with me and get ready for today's EVS class. And in today EVS, we are going to do a really beautiful and you can say fun-filled activity related to shapes. Okay? तो मैम आपको शेप से एक एक्टिविटी कराने वाली है in your EVS. For that, first finish your work and get ready for it. Okay? Bye. Take care.